NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.3, Question 1. Name the type of triangle formed by the points A minus 5, 6, B minus 4, minus 2, and C 7, 5. We are given 3 points and we need to find the type of triangle formed by these 3 points. Let us find the answer. We are given vertices of triangle ABC, A minus 5, 6, B minus 4, minus 2, C 7, 5. To determine the type of the triangle ABC, first we shall find the lengths of all the 3 sides, AB, BC and CA. If all the 3 sides are equal in length, then it is an equilateral triangle. Or if only 2 of the sides are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. Only 2 sides equal meaning either AB equal to BC or BC equal to CA or CA equal to AB. Only 2 sides are equal among the 3 sides. Or if all the 3 sides are different from each other, then it is a scalene triangle. After that, we can also check Pythagoras theorem. We can find square of the largest side and sum of the squares of the other 2 sides and check if they are equal. If they are equal, then it is a right angle triangle. Let us find lengths of the sides. First, let us start with AB. Let us consider vertex A as x1, y1 and vertex B as x2, y2. And the distance between these 2 points is given by the formula AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us substitute x1, y1 and x2, y2 in this formula. Root over x2 is minus 4 minus x1 is minus 5 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is 6 whole square. Root over 1 square plus minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 whole square. 1 square is 1 minus 8 whole square is 64. 1 plus 64 is 65. Therefore, length of the side AB is root over 65 units. Now let us find the length of the side BC. Let us consider vertex B as point x1, y1 and vertex C as point x2, y2. The formula for the distance between the 2 points equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute point B and point C in the distance formula. Root over x2 is 7 minus x1 is minus 4 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 2 whole square equal to root over 7 minus of minus 4 is 11. 11 square plus 5 minus of minus 2 is 7. 7 square. 11 square is 121. 7 square is 49. Root over 121 plus 49 is 170. Therefore, length of the side BC is root over 170 units. Now let us find the length of the side CA. Let us consider vertex C as point x1, y1 and vertex A x2, y2. Distance between these 2 points root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Equal to root over x2 is minus 5 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 5 whole square equal to root over minus 5 minus 7 whole square is 12 square plus 6 minus 5 whole square is 1 square. 12 square is 144, 1 square is 1. Root over 145. We have found that length of the side AB is root over 65 units. Length of the side BC is root over 170 units. Length of the side CA is root over 145 units. Now let us check the Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC. First, let us find the largest side whole square. Of these 3 sides, which is the largest side? BC. BC is the largest side. Root over 170 whole square is equal to 170. Now let us find the sum of squares of the other two sides, AB and CA. (65 plus 145) equal to 210. Let us compare 170 and 210, and we can say that Pythagoras theorem does not hold for triangle ABC because largest side whole square is not equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Therefore, it is not a right angle triangle. Also, the side AB is not equal to side BC, and which is not equal to side CA. All the three sides are different. Therefore, triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. So what is our final answer? Triangle ABC is a scalene triangle.